Boom. Here's a tip for you. A little bit of moisture on the tip of your finger. Now watch this. I'll try to capture it on camera as best as I can. Watch how when I move my finger along that line, it just pushes the trem probe right into that crack. And if you do it just the right pressure, you know, then you'll have that gorgeous seam. You see that? Gorgeous. See what's left behind? That gorgeous seam that you can just pull away. Sorry about my camera work. Pull away with the tape, and you'll have that gorgeous, unnoticeable, professional edge. I put a little bit much here, but that's okay. You back off when you do that, right? You put a little bit much, you can back off, because you probably put a little bit much. Knowing me, I did it because there's a bit of a gap there. Do you see that gap right there? Yeah. That's why I put a little bit more right there. And there we go. Then I'm going to take this edge, whatever's remainder, and then I'm going to drop it down into that groove. Take it a little bit more and drop it down into that groove. And that way your water just glides off of it. Fluffy clouds, fluffy clouds.